Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel 99 Trades. In this video, we will see how BankNifty and Nifty behave today, and using this data, we will try to find out the important levels for the tomorrow's trading session, that is for the 11th Tuesday's trading session. Today, BankNifty opened near yesterday's, that is Friday's close, and it has given an upside move, and again it has taken resistance from this level, from 45,185, and it has given a straight fall from this level, and it has made a low of 44,750, and after that index has not moved much. It is only in range between these two levels. So what are the important levels for the tomorrow's trading session? Tomorrow, if BankNifty opens in between this range, that is between 44,750 and 44,946, that is if BankNifty opens in between this range, and if it breaks on the downside, this is so high probability trade will be if BankNifty trades that it opens in between this range and breaks down on the downside, that is below 44,750, then we can see more fall, and our first target will be this level. 44,600 will be the first target, and the second target will be 44,350 on the downside. On upside, there is not very big room. Even if anyone wants to plan a long, they can plan a long above this level, but only with half quantity. That is above 44,950, one can plan a long position for the target of, the first target will be 45,100, and the second target will be this swing high, that is 44,180. Keep in mind that this trend line is holding this BankNifty's downtrend. This is on Thursday session, this is on Friday session, this is today's session. Tomorrow, if BankNifty sustains above this level and tests this level, high chances are we may see a reversal from this trend line, that is from this 44,180. This is the analysis. Here I am using Nifty 15 minutes chart. Nifty opened flat somewhere near 19,380, and it has given a upside move till 19,435. This is the high today, and from there it has given a downfall of almost 100 points, and again after that it went into a range. Now what are the important levels for the tomorrow's trading session? Mark this low, today's low, that is we can take this as 19,300, we can take this level as 19,300, and today's high 19,435. This will act as a sideways market, that is in between this range market will move sideways. We will get a trending move only above this level or below this level. If index breaks 19,300 on downside, then our first target will be 19,240, and the second target will be 19,180. If index sustains above 19,435, this is a low probability trade, so trade with, because there is no big room, so trade with low quantity. If index sustains above 19,435, the first target will be 19,480, and the second target will be 19,520. If you have any doubts in this analysis, please ask your questions in the comment section. Free live updates, join our Telegram channel using the link below. Keep your capital safe. Thanks and Jai Hind.